So guys, in this video we'll be talking about this MAC address, and MAC address stands for medium access control. It does not MAC means it does not mean any Apple's desktop computer. It's called medium access control, and it is 48-bit hexadecimal address. So the length of the MAC address is 48-bit, and it is hard coded into network interface card. So this network interface card is built into our devices. In my laptop I have two network interface cards. One is for Wi-Fi and one is for normal wired internet connection. Even in our mobile phones we receive the Wi-Fi, and that's because there is a Wi-Fi chipset, right? That is called network interface card. And the example for MAC address is CC-2F713E9C90. So this is just a MAC address example, and you can see each byte is represented in hexadecimal, which means 4 bits. As you can see here, there are 12 hexadecimal bytes, and which you convert into binary, I mean bits, you get the 48 bits. There are 12 and each byte represents 4 bits. 12 into 4 you get 48 bit. And the one interesting point is first half bits are called organization unique identifier. So these bits are incorporated into this network interface card by manufacturer. The first half bits are this first CC, 2F and 71. So these are same for one manufacturer. So if this MAC address was generated by say Intel, and this first 24 bits are same for all Intel chipsets, and only last 24 bits will change from device to device. And these are the examples for organization unique identifiers. And if you bought any HP network interface cards, the first 24 bits will be 3C, D9 and 2B. And if you bought Cisco's network interface card, the first 24 bits are going to be 3C, 5A, B4. So these cannot be changed. It's not like we cannot be changed, but some manufacturers make sure that these bits are permanent. These are hard coded into network interface cards, and most of the manufacturers does not allow for security reasons. So let me show you my MAC address. Now on Windows computer you need to type ipconfig/all. So when you type ipconfig/all, you get the wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, and the description here it says Intel dual band wireless AC8265. So this is my Intel Wi-Fi chipset, and if you take another Intel chipset, the first 24 bits gonna be the same, and the physical address is CC2F71. This is my MAC address, and the first 24 bits are going to be the same for all Intel cards. Now you can see some other information about this adapter, and I want to show you my wired connection. Okay, this one is my wired Ethernet adapter. This is my wired connection. Currently I do not have any Ethernet cable plugged in, so it says media disconnected. Now I have this Realtek family controller, and look at this 24 bytes. These are going to be same for another Realtek chipset, and this is the physical address is nothing but the MAC address, and this was hard coded into my Realtek network interface card.